Welcome to the review of Asus Zen Power Bank. Today I am going to review the Asus Zen Power Bank of blue color with 10,050 mAh. So let's get started. Asus rolled out pretty impressive, elegant in design and compact in size, yet most powerful and efficient power bank. Let's look at the tech specs of this power bank. Its compact size, stylish look, and lightning charging capacity makes it one of the best power banks out there in the market currently. Even I was amazed when I opened it for the first time. It comes with a small USB cable for its charging, but that's alright I guess. It charges my iPhone 6 for nearly 4 times of full charge, which I love the most about this power bank. It takes around 50 to 55 minutes to get my iPhone fully charged to 100%, which is pretty incredible in this compact size. I traveled to various cities along with this power bank and found myself totally worryless about charging my iPhone and camera. It's pretty light in weight than Xiaomi's Mi power bank and smaller in size as well. If you are looking for an efficient and stylish power bank within 2000 rupees or around $30, it is really worth buying. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any query or feedback related to this video, please comment down below. Subscribe the channel for more exciting videos. I'll see you soon. Keep smiling.